Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to learn a new vocabulary word. A new vocabulary word, do tell, I shall tell. 4 syllables, fun to say, and it's an adjective. The word is gregarious. Gregarious, Gregarious. Gregarious is an adjective. What does it mean? It means sociable and enjoys others' company. That's for people. But it also means for animals, when it includes animals, it means living in flocks or herds. Oh, gregarious. See, everyone likes to get together because they're gregarious. Got it. Why do we say gregarious when we just mean they like to be around other people or other things? I do know, because it comes from the Latin noun grex, meaning herd of flocks. Oh, why do I have friends who are named Greg who aren't really gregarious? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. Are you ready? My friend Greg is very shy. He is not gregarious. What? Come on, English. Do you know anyone who is gregarious, or are you gregarious? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.